All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Escape. It is the SE all-wheel drive model. Beautiful silver with gray interior. It's actually two-tone. Alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, backup camera, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, only $30K on this bad boy. Front bumper looks pretty good. Does seem to have two little chippies, one here, one there, one there. That's three chips. It's got a dent here, no paint off, about 2 inches. It's got a dent here, about 3 inches. There. This fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Do I see curbing? I do not. And let's check out your tires, right? On 30K vehicles, just under 730 seconds. Let me double check. That's right, just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good in this quarter. Looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread over 730 seconds, actually at 8. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power doors, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Owner's manuals are still wrapped up in its package. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is your instrument cluster. What that looks like. You see no lights on. Running issues in your mileage of 30,617. Pretty much completes the tour. Even got a little trunk unlock button. It's not a power trunk, but it is an unlock button. Here's, of course, your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. It does have a rear armrest with cup holders. Here's your rear passenger rim. Oh, I checked that out already. Rear bumper looks pretty good. I see a chip here and one more here. The rest of it looks pretty good. This is, of course, your trunk spacing. What that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. I did tuck away your owner's manuals back there. All right. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing in your tire thread. Is over 730 seconds. Double checking it. That's right, over 730 seconds. And this door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have rear AC vents. This door looks pretty good. Got a little dinghy right there. Smell. Here's the other side of your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks fantastic. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tire thread. It's just under 730 seconds. A little bit after under 730 seconds. Hold on 1 second. Let me turn on the fog lights. Boom. Fog lights are working. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive model with 30K. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.